So you are debugging your VI, and suppose during debugging you have reached a point where your sub VI is highlighted. Now if you want to go inside the VI and debug the insides of that sub VI, what you can do is you can press Ctrl down arrow. When you press Ctrl down arrow, the sub VI will open, and now it's ready for debugging. So if you are debugging your VI and you reach a point where you have to decide whether you want to go inside and start debugging inside a VI, or you want to step over a node and to start debugging points beyond that node. If you want to go beyond and not go inside, to step over, what you can do is you can press Ctrl-Right arrow. Ctrl-Right arrow goes right through, bypasses the node, highlighted node, and goes beyond that node. So if you are debugging a VI and you reach a point where you want to go inside, that is, you are stepping into, and you have stepped into, and now you want to not continue debugging through the points in that VI and just want to step outside of that VI. The keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl up arrow. You press Ctrl and up arrow, and that VI finishes without going through each node. And if you press it again, then you are back into the main VI that called that sub VI, through from outside of which you came.